In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work your plantar flexion isometrically while standing. So firstly, we don't need any equipment for this, but what you do need is something that you can hold on to for balance. Now here I've got a wall, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be a foot's length away from the wall. So that is a foot's length, and I'm going to be just there. I'm going to have both feet pointing forwards. What's really important when we come into the calf raise firstly is I don't want you to do the isometric contraction in this position, okay? I don't want you to hold it here because we're cheating. So if you come up into the calf raise, I want you to look into a mirror or have somebody to guide you where is completely straight with your body, because in this position, I'm certainly not straight. Here, however, I am. And then once you get comfortable, if you can, try to take the hands off the wall. If you can't, leave them on. And we're going to hold that position for 15 to 30 seconds. You can do this for 2 to 3 sets to start working your plantar flexion isometrically while standing.